Good morning. Today, I will explain how to register and configure the LightSense smart device using a smartphone. After installation of LightSense smart driver or appliance, keep the switch on which the smart driver is connected. Follow the instructions as shown in the video. Registration of smart driver or appliance on Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi settings. After automatic Wi-Fi scan, My Home device will appear. In Available Networks list, select My Home device. After scanning, it will prompt to sign into the network. If you get the message, keep Wi-Fi connection or disconnect, select Keep Wi-Fi connection. Next it will takes you configuration window. In SSID, Nanotronics appears by default. Press the SSID window, you will see a list of available networks. Choose your network, in my case it is AVP. Enter your Wi-Fi password, and save. Close the window. Configure appliance on My Home app 3.0.
Open the app. From the options, sign in with email, Facebook, or LinkedIn account. Go to Settings. Press plus button. After a brief scan, the device will appear in the window. Select room type from the drop-down window, or choose Custom. Select device type from toggle buttons. Save configuration. You can now operate or control your appliance from your smartphone from anywhere in the world.